Hello viewers. Today we will discuss introduction of probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood of events occurring. It is a measure of the likelihood of a specific outcome in a set of possible outcomes. Probabilities are usually expressed as a number between 0 and 1. We can say that the value of probability between 0 and 1, with 0 indicating that an event is impossible, 1 indicating that an event is certain to occur, and values between 0 and 1 indicating the degree of likelihood that an event will occur. The probability of an event can be calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the number of possible outcomes. Probability is used in many fields, including statistics. Statistic is a subject. Finance is also a subject. Insurance, weather forecasting, and decision making. The study of probability helps to quantify uncertainty and provides a basic for making decisions under uncertainty.